Before I proceed, kagaya rin po sana ng request ni Engineer Bryce kanina, dahil medyo maselan po itong conversation na to, baka pwedeng mag-request din po sana ako ng security kung sakali.
Yes po. The committee commits to the safety and security of the witnesses and these persons who are here. Mendoza, something to say? What do you want to say? Engineer Mendoza, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Regarding nga pala dun sa nabanggit ko kanina dun sa security na ina-ask ko sana, Mr. Chair. Kasi bago ako magsalita, last September 1, may nag-message na sa akin sa Viber. Ang naka-name sa Viber is Hitman. Tapos ngayon bago ako magsalita, tumatawag na naman siya. Kumbaga sana yung ina-ask ko sana na security is ASAP na po sana, sir.
So we are stating for the record that Mr. Mendoza is receiving threats to his life, and this is something that the committee is taking seriously. Before we adjourn,
Sir, pwede bang masama rin yung family ko po?
Yes po. We will discuss it. We will discuss it as soon as we end the meeting. Engineer JP Mendoza, I think we need a motion for this.
Mr. Chair.
Chairman Chua is recognized, please.
Mr. Chair, I move that we place under protective custody Engineer JP Mendoza of the Department of Public Works and Highway.
Motion is seconded. Do I hear objections? Hearing no objections, the motion is approved.